vid. Yep, I see it. We'll wait on the guys here. It's a good spot. I think it's better than it was on Sunday and Monday, John. You got it. That'll work. Looks pretty good to the right here. I see. Well, let's go around this down tree and cut back to the right then. Downfall. Let's wait on our guys through the trees. It'll open up, guys. It's going to open up. Nice. Nice. Got control. That's what it's all about, buddy. Matt, you're on video right now. I'm going to follow you. Turn it. Follow John. Get close to John. This is it. This is what I want. This is the video I want. You're okay. That's the kind of video I'm talking about. Right there. But maybe getting as big as it is what it is, okay? But this is variety, man. This is like it's good as sex. It's good as sex, dude. Lead on, Matt. I'm on you. Nice line. Nice line. Oh, let her go. Let her go. Come this way! Come this way! Come to the right! Right at me, John! Come on, Scott, right at me! Yeah, that's what I want right there! That's what I want right there! Sweet! Now that's skiing! That was awesome, Matt. And that's what I want to do again. I'm gonna follow a rider, I'm gonna pass him, I'm gonna turn around and get you guys coming at me. Alright? Time for that beer already?
I actually had to ski over top of Wally.
Give me that pole.
Yeah, he was right in front of me. I couldn't go. I was going too fast.
You're welcome.
Nice. I love it.
That's gonna be some great video, man. I was right on your tail.
Awesome.
Do you think it's wrong?
Man, I hooked it.
You put it where you
Put all your weight on one foot.
Problem is, when I go to shift my weight to the other foot, all of a sudden I lose grip on the one.
I got some in my pocket. Yeah, see, now this is where, if we would have kept going farther out, up top, this is where we were coming out into. It is good. A little tight. I like this traverse you built here. That's the Forest Service boundary. Oh yeah! Oh Matt, you are ripping! You are smoking it! Go all the way! Do it! Yeah! Yeah! Oh! You're gonna like that video. Come on! Bring it on, John! Right at me! I'm rolling. How's the camera angle look, Scott? Good. Okay. I got him. Sexy turns. Sexy turns. Sexy West Virginia turns. Nice, John. Nice. That was a very nice line. Got you right on the vid. I think you're going to like this. Yeah, I know. Well, listen, we have time to smoke weed and drink beer before we split. I'm telling you. Nice. Nice. Do it, man. Do it. Okay. Got it, man. Oh. I was watching John. It's so important your shoulders and head have to be square. Yeah. I mean, I believe me, I could do another one, but those were so good. I'm totally satisfied. Dude, we started pushing it on Monday. Sean was like, 6,000 was the call for the day, and we got 5. One more would have been 6. We got
every time. Lap up.
Another grand. I know. We did 2,300 on Sunday, we figured. And we did about 5,000 on Monday. Yep.
Probably did 1,200.
Yeah, because you went higher up. Oh, is it nice in here? It's pretty warm. It's pretty warm.
Almost dropped the kid.
Dude, I think I want to tow out and shoot some video.